Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Southwest Airlines credit card detailed guide step by step clearly. To install the Southwest Airlines credit card, begin by visiting the official Southwest Airlines website. Locate the section for credit cards, usually found at the bottom of the homepage. Click on the option for the Southwest Airlines credit card. You will see different card options available. Choose the one that suits your needs best. Read through the details, including rewards, fees, and benefits associated with each card. Once you've made your choice, click on the Apply Now button. You will be redirected to the application form. Begin filling out the required personal information, such as your name, address, and contact details. Follow this by entering your financial information, including your income and employment status. You may also need to provide your Social Security number for identity verification. After completing the form, review all your entries for accuracy. Scroll down to the Terms and Conditions section and read through the details carefully. If you agree to the terms, check the box acknowledging your acceptance. Next, click on the Submit Application button to send your application for review. Wait for the application to be processed. This usually takes a few minutes. You will receive an application status notification on the screen. If approved, you will receive further instructions on how to activate your card. Make note of the expected delivery time for your credit card. Once you receive your card in the mail, follow the activation instructions provided. To activate your card, you may need to visit the website or call a dedicated activation number. After activation, review your account details and set up online banking for easy management. Congratulations, you are now ready to start using your Southwest Airlines credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.